Lots of gardeners have grown the common elephant ear before, but one that is a little bit more unique is this species. This is the upright elephant ear, Alocasia macrorhiza, and it truly is a monster in the garden. Just look at the size of these leaves and look how tall the plant can get out in the garden. This is a plant that is tropical. It's native to India, Sri Lanka, and Malaysia, and out in the garden it'll get about as big as it can get. The more fertilizer and water you give it, the more size that the plant will put on. Now in their native habitat they can get 10, 15 feet tall. Here in our garden we grow them out in full sun, but occasionally when we have a really hot dry period in the summertime, we're getting a lot of hot scorching southwestern winds, we can get a little bit of burning on the edges of the leaves, so we do have to make sure we keep them wet. Now this is a tropical plant that you can keep over winter and grow year after year. This plant does have a below ground corm that is almost trunk-like. It extends below ground and up above ground for quite a ways. Now you can take that trunk-like corm and bring it indoors and just keep it in the garage or the basement, or maybe you could even throw it under your house somewhere that doesn't freeze or doesn't stay cold for a long period of time, then bring it back out the next year and start the plant growing again. I've heard stories of a lady who lives in the Oklahoma City area who has a huge collection of these, and she stacks those trunk-like corms like wood in her garage, and then she plants them out the next year and has sort of a jungle effect. So the upright elephant ear, a plant that children are sure to get excited about, and several adults as well. Gives you this bold, huge foliage out in the garden.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.